Math Gad.
Hello guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be solving a trapezoid. So guys, the first thing we have to take into account is the definition of a trapezoid and its most important characteristics. The trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides, right? So in this case, ST and RU are going to be parallel sides. The length of the mid-segment, so AB, is going to be the average of the two bases, right? And in the case it is an isosceles trapezoid, that means that the two legs are going to be congruent and that the two angles on the two bases are going to be congruent as well, right? You have to take into account that the two bases are going to be parallel because you are going to find that useful when solving the angles, right, that are found or formed. So in this case, we're going to be solving this trapezoid. So use trapezoid DEFG to find the measures and know that EG is 21 feet. Okay guys, so let's get started. The first thing that they are asking us is DF. As you can see, DF is a diagonal. And this is an isosceles trapezoid because E, D, and F, G are going to be congruent. So we know that because DF is a diagonal and EG is also a diagonal, they are going to be congruent, as you can see on the image on the left, that SU and TR are congruent. So DF is going to be congruent to EG. So that means that the measurement of DF is going to be equal to the measurement of EG, which we were told was 21 feet, right? So that means that DF is going to be 21 feet. Now, the measurement of angle DEF. So DEF is going to be this one. Now, we do know that these two angles, so angle EDG and angle FGD, are the two angles on the base, and they are going to be congruent angles. So we know that EDG is also going to be 77 degrees. Now we have to remember that EF and DG are parallel, right? So because they are parallel, that means that this angle, which is 77 degrees, and this angle, which is angle FED, right, or DEF, which is the one that we're being asked, is going to be supplementary because it is the same side interior angle. So with that, we know that the measurement of angle DEF is going to be equal to 180 minus 77 degrees, which is going to give us a total of 103 degrees. So that means that this angle is going to be 103 degrees, right? And the final question is going to be finding the length of ED. Now we know that the length from F to the midpoint here is going to be 8 feet. So that means that this is going to be 8 feet and this is going to be 8 feet. So ED is going to be 8 feet plus 8 feet, giving us a total of 16 feet. And that is pretty much it, guys. So this is how we solve a trapezoid. Make sure you double check every single step and you analyze and you make sure that you are understanding every single formula that we use and take into account the diagonals being congruent and that the two bases are actually parallel. So guys, that's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!